हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल इकोनॉमिक्स विद कैलाश गोस्वामी। कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद है आप सब ठीक होंगे। आई रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड लाइक एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो मोर एंड मोर। I am again present with you in another video of production chapter. As in part first, we discussed about production function, types of variable, different types of periods of production and types of production function step by step. In this video, I explained the terms total product, marginal product and average product, and also explained these terms with the help of a schedule and a diagram. I again request please subscribe my channel and like and share the video more and more. I have tried my best to explain these terms step by step and hope that you will enjoy this video. This chapter is one of the most important chapter for 12th class in microeconomics. So I request all of you, please go in detail with this chapter, with this video. If you want to take screenshot, take. The first one is total product. It refers to the total volume of goods and services produced by firm with given output during a specified period of time. It is also defined as sum of total of output corresponding to each unit of the variable factor used in the process of production. That is TP equals to summation of MP or TP equals to AP into L. TP is total product, MP is marginal product and AP is average product. दैट मीन्स टोटल प्रोडक्ट क्या होता है? टोटल प्रोडक्ट होता है कि एक फर्म जो है एक गिवन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में और स्पेसिफिक पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में कितने टोटल गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज प्रोड्यूस करती है, दैट इज नोन एज टोटल product. Next is marginal product. It is the addition to the total product when an additional unit of a variable factor is employed, fixed factor remaining constant. MP of nth equals to TP of n minus TP of n minus 1, or MP equals to delta TP upon delta L, where delta TP is change in total product, MP is marginal product, and delta L is change in variable factor. That means when a producer employ additional unit of a variable factor, the product they get from that additional factor is known as marginal product. That means addition to the total product by employing one more unit of variable factor is known as marginal product. These two terms are very important with respect to law of variable proportion. Please learn these and take screenshot. The next one is average product. It is defined as the per unit product of variable factors. It is calculated by dividing the total product by units of variable factor. AP equals to TP upon L, where TP equals to total product, AP is average product, L is units of variable factor, that is labor. That means AP is calculated by dividing the total product by units of variable factor. That is, if we employ 10 units of variable factor and got total product of 50, then average product equals to 50 upon 10 equals to 5. Total product, average product and marginal product are explained below with the help of a schedule. Schedule means tabular representation of data is known as schedule. Fixed factor, variable factor, TP, AP and MP. Fixed factor is length that remains constant during a period of production, and if we can change only variable factor, that is labor. If we are able, or a producer is able to increase or decrease the quantity of a variable factor. If the producer increases the number of variable factors, the total product goes on increasing first, and then increasing first at increasing rate, and then increases at a diminishing rate, and then starts falling. Average product first increases, reaches maximum, and then starts fall. Similarly, marginal product first increases, reaches maximum, and then starts falling. The tabular representation also explained in the diagram. The TP curve first increases at an increasing rate and then increases at an diminishing rate and then becomes constant and then falls. The marginal product also increases at an increasing rate, first reaches maximum and then decreases and reaches to 0. When total product is maximum, marginal product becomes 0, and average product first increases, reaches maximum. When average product equals to marginal product, average product reaches maximum and then starts declining. The shape of the AP and MP is inverted U shape, and the shape of TP is also inverted shape, but it is first a concave up to P and then convex from onward P. AB is the part of where total product is constant. On x-axis the units of labor are shown, and on y-axis average product, marginal product and total product are shown. Please remember this diagram because the same diagram is used in the law of variable proportion. In law of variable proportion, we remove only the curve of average product. The next is explanation of curves. TP increases continuously from O to A. It increases at an increasing rate from O to P and at diminishing rate from P to A. TP is maximum at point P and remains so up to point B. After point B, TP falls. MP curves initially rises, reaches maximum and ultimately declines, taking the shape of inverted U. Similarly, AP curve first rises, reaches its maximum and then declines, taking the shape of inverted U. Returns to a factor and returns to a scale. Returns to a factor refers to the behavior of output when only one variable factor of production is increased, fixed factor remaining constant. It is the short run phenomena. Returns to scale. It refers to change in physical output of a good on account of increase in all inputs required to produce a good simultaneously in same proportion. It is a long run phenomena. That means returns to a factor is short run production function and returns to scale is long run production function. Or returns to factor is also known as law of variable proportion, and returns to scale is also known as law of returns to scale. First, returns to a factor is known as law of variable proportion. Second, returns to scale is known as law of returns to scale. So we have explained the basic terms: total product, average product, marginal product, and explained these all the three terms with the help of schedule and a diagram. I tried my best to explain these terms. I think and hope you will enjoy this video, and I request all of you, please subscribe my channel and like and share this video. And also thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.